Welcome to Dell Tech Support. In this video, we'll go over the steps for performing a clean install, which you can use with the latest Windows 10 updates. First thing you should know is that performing a clean install of your system will delete all of your data. So before you start this clean installation process, be sure to back up your files. If you need help with this, watch our video available on this channel. The link is provided in the description. If for some reason you can't access your system, we recommend checking your warranty to see if backup support is included, or contact an expert to help you with your backup. Also, you will need to use another PC to run the reinstallation process. Now, go to our Dell website using this direct link, which is also provided in the description. Download the OS Recovery tool, then launch the tool. Choose the best option for your specific case. Choose this computer if you want to recover an operating system for the Dell PC you are actually using, or choose Other Computer if you want to recover the operating system for a different Dell PC. You will need to have the service tag of the other PC. Make your choice, then click Next. Verify the version of Windows and start the download by clicking the Download button. Wait for the download process to be completed, and when that's done, you can start to create the USB drive. Once you have the bootable USB recovery drive ready, do the following. With your computer off, press the F12 key repeatedly. The boot menu should appear, and when it does, select your USB recovery drive, typically shown as the name of your flash drive. For the beginning part of this installation process, select your language and keyboard layout. Choose Troubleshoot, then Recover from a drive. Be patient as the Windows installation process takes place and your PC will restart. And decide between Remove Files or Fully Clean. After a few minutes, you will be able to select and confirm your region. Connect to your internet if possible, and enter your Microsoft account. By using the same Microsoft account that you used before, the Windows activation will be done automatically. If you don't have an internet connection, create a local account by following all the steps. Once your system has been installed, watch our video, OEM Windows 10 Activation, to learn how to activate your system. The link is provided in the description. After doing your account settings, confirm if you want Cortana to be your personal assistant. Otherwise, click No. To set up your privacy options, check them all, then turn off the ones you don't want, and confirm. With that all done, your PC is now ready to be used again. If you still need help or have any questions, contact us through social media on Facebook or Twitter, or you can join in a chat on the Dell Community Forum. Be sure to check out our other videos on this channel, and if you like this video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.